Hey guys, another unboxing for you, and it's a really big unboxing. In fact, this was the thing I was telling you about in my Let's Play recently. A desktop PC with monitor, 20-inch from HP. Let's see, 64-bit, 3 gig of RAM, 1 terabyte of hard drive. Forget the name of the product. I'm going to be putting all the stats in the description, so we can get in with it. It was actually meant to come on Saturday, so I'm surprised it came today. Oh, there's a box in a box. I knew it. Okay, I will do some small unboxings on the actual thing, so give me a minute. Okay, this is the 20-inch monitor, because my last monitor was 19 inches and my laptop monitor is 17 inches, so this one's like decent size. Let's unbox this. Is that on? Yep. And let's get the other side. And now let's get this open. Okay, the basic contents is on this. You got the little thing for the stand, so you can put it onto the stand. We also got the VGA cable to connect it to the tower processor, and we got some information, warranty and software and documentation for the monitor. Okay, so let's take this out. Let's put it on its side and we can lift it out like that. Okay. Some fell on the floor. What's that? Oh, I knew it. Sound cable. Looks like this one's got built-in speakers as well. We also... What? Oh, this is the VGA cable. So, what's this meant to be? If this is a spare or something, I'm not sure. However, we got the stand, the proper stand for it, covered in this nice shiny plastic. I will do a setup of this as well. I'll probably include it in the this video due to the time limit, because I'm allowed to upload over 15-minute videos now. Oh yeah, so yeah, there is a spare cable. That's alright. So let's just unpackage this, and about if my abnormally large head gets involved in this, but my room is not as big as a proper unboxing room. So there you go. Right, here is the thing. That's not the screen, it's just the thing. So a minute, let me just take some of this tape off, and then I can show you what the screen actually looks like. So yeah, I actually ordered this when I come home from college, so I was quite surprised to see it arrive today. I wasn't really expecting it to get here so quickly. The youngest can tear this bit off. It's only stuck to the plastic. This instructions are, there we are. optimal resolution 1600 by 900 at 60 Hz, and that's slightly set up of the monitor and stuff, LCD and that stuff. This is the actual screen. As you can see, it's got all the buttons there and all the lights. It's a HP S2031A. The buttons are actually underneath it, if you can see them. There's the cables now. Yeah, that one. I'm not quite sure what that is because this is a Windows 7 computer. That's the back of it. The back of it's pretty standard. It's also got one of them tilty things. Alright, that one's like that. Let me just clear some space up in the bottom tower. Okay, it's time to do a whoop. And let's do the rest of the unboxing. We remove this. A normal bit of cardboard. And then we just do this. Actually, yeah. Let's take out these bits of cardboard, because they always put cardboard in it to actually protect it. So yeah. Okay, in this little bag we have the USB mouse. Come out, you know you want to. Right. USB mouse, go here, USB, roller and clicker, 2-button clicker. Oh, and it's a laser mouse, sweet, just like the ones at college. Excellent. Laser mouses are cool. We also, oh yeah, that's right. We also got a 3-pronged UK plug and a socket for it. And we got one for the tower as well. So we got 2 plugs. Plus we've got basic information, stuff like how to plug this in, how to plug that in, and stuff. So in this box we have, well, we should have the keyboard in here because it's keyboard size. Let me just unpack it. Yep, we have a keyboard. Take the keyboard out, chuck the box over there, and let's take it out of this little bag. And this is the keyboard. USB again. USB. Basic standard buttons, including 3 new ones, which allows you to mute, turn the sound up and down, and put into sleep mode. Also got normal keys and stuff like that. HP and a little standy things, so it can like stand up. So, last thing we have here is the actual thing what makes it work. Okay, let me just flip the camera once more, and here we are. Here's the processor tower, as you like to call it. And you take the polystyrene blocks off, and I'll unwrap it. Oh wow, pretty big. A little bit bigger than my old one, which is sweet. Alright. Okay, this is the basic machine. Yeah, it's covered in plastic. I'll take that off in a minute. It's got expansion bay, It's got the CD, DVD rewriter stuff, 2 USB ports at the front, a 6-in-1 card slot, and audio and headset. Windows 7J, yeah, genuine, and AMD. Let me just lean it down here. Yeah, AMD Athlon. It's also got like the sides, ventilation holes, and all that stuff. Oh, that's a weird place to put it. If you look down here, there's the on and off button. I was expecting it to be down there. Okay, here we have the power. We also have the sound jacks and that, where your sound goes. 4 USB ports and internet, which I'll be using, and a place for you to plug in your computer, your screen. Right, I'm going to stop recording for a minute and start it up, and I will do the setup of it, so bear with me. Okay, time to set up the monitor. I've already put the tower there. I'm going to plug it in a minute. Okay, just take the plastic off this. And it's nice and shiny. And I guess we have to like, just like put this on like that and position. Actually, no, I think you have to put it. Oh no, you don't. That's alright. Right, just put that in there, and it will like conk into place. And then let me just undo this bit, because actually no, I'm going to leave it in. You know it's going to be awkward to do it otherwise, don't you? That's around there. And reposition this here. Actually, let's see if we can still see it. Yep. And then we just like position it on top like here. There. So yeah, we are. We can tilt it back and forwards and back. I like it back, and then you can like push it all the way back like that. So let's just, yeah, I'm gonna like take this off later, not now. Just like plug it in first. Let's see, where is it? There it is. And just tilt it forwards. Just like put it down a minute, so I can actually see. There it is. Right, tilt it back. And just put it there, and there we are. There's the computer in. Or the yeah, you know what I mean. Anyway, now we shall do the keyboard. Right, this is the keyboard, so let's undo this. Oh, there's another bit on it. Yeah, it's recording. Okay, now once we've done that, you want to position it in front, wherever you want to put it, and to plug it into one of the slots. I'm going to choose that one. There we are. That's plugged in. Also, you might want to do is like plug the monitor in while you're at it. So let's do that. If you're wondering where my laptop is, it's in, well, it's not closed down. I just like put it away for a bit while I get this set up. So let's just plug the monitor in. And let's screw it in. There's little screws that you have to like screw in, and it will like plug it in. Looks secure. Right, now we need a mouse, not that mouse, this mouse. What we do is we just do it the same way. Yeah, this screen looks bigger. We undo it. Plug her in. You plug her in right next to the keyboard because it looks nice. Looks nicer. Take off the plastic. And we position that here. Right. I like back it behind the computer screen, so we can like position it there, and when we get the everything out, we can like that. Okay, next thing we need is the power adapter. Now I'm not quite sure whenever this one will actually the actual processor. So I'm just going to pause it for a bit and put it back on when you get it in. Okay, I've got that plugged in. Just turn it a little bit so you can see it. Everything's plugged in. You just need to plug in the Ethernet cable. Ethernet cable's plugged in and should be ready to go. So I'm just going to turn everything around now. Hopefully stuff might happen. I'm just going to like move that to the side, all this to the side. Yeah, hopefully good stuff will happen, so yeah. Actually, no, I'm going to unplug that for a minute, put that past and plug that back in, so it'll be easier. Move that a bit and move that a bit. I might still move this a bit. And pop that round the back. And oh, I forgot something, hang on. Yeah, I forgot to plug the sound cable in, didn't I? Duh. Need the sound cable, otherwise I won't be able to hear anything. There is it, here it is. So let me undo it. Okay, sound cable. And we plug it into the computer first, which we do by doing that, pulling it forward, doing that, laying it on its side a little bit, finding it, there we are, audio out, and we just plug it in here. Okay, that is in, audio out. And then we just like position this behind it and like chuck it behind some stuff, and then we just move this forward a little bit and move that back, and we find the correct place. There we are, green in green. So there we are, audio is in. Alright, okay. So now everything is in, everything is in shape. Let me just move these things up. Get my stuff, make sure I've got everything. Because that is important. And yeah. Actually, why is this on the light slant? Huh, don't know. Let me just like position it. Yeah. It's a little bit at an angle, but for some reason my camera's at an angle and I don't know why. Alright. Just got to find the switch first. Here it is. Okay, it's on. The switch for this. Okay. See what happens. It's just adjusting my settings and that. Setting up for first use. Probably take some time. Yeah, so I've got everything set up like with that's got a thing like lights and stuff on it, and I like show up. Actually, yeah, let me just take the plastic off while it's loading up. Just then, like, take some of this off. Checking performance it's doing now. Yeah. In there we have the disk drive. This bit. That's the expansion bay. Oh, what? Okay. Okay, Windows Home Premium. Premium. Alright, country, English. Next. Okay, type in a username. Password. Nah. Accept all the stuff. Next. Yes, user recommendations, English, time, yes. Select your computer's home location. Right, connecting to your network. Now I'm back to using a wired connection because this computer is not actually wireless. So yeah, I've actually plugged in the network connections. Setup will continue after restarting your computer. So hopefully this will connect first time. And that. So yeah, actually while it's doing that, let me just peel off some of this. Yeah. Right, what it's doing now is restarting. after it does that, we'll be able to continue this setup. I will be doing a review of this when I get it all set up. I'll get Skype on it and everything. I've got no idea how long this video is going to be, to be honest with you. Yeah, so the expansion bay is like, if you want a basically if you want to put another disk drive in it, it's for that, basically, or floppy disk drive and stuff. Actually, it's set up. Let me just put my things back on top, because that is the right thing to do. You need to put my Wii and camcorder back on top of this. Well, still setting up. I suppose like Windows 7 always needs to check up on performance and that. So that's why it always takes a while for it to set up and that. Welcome. Preparing your desktop. Windows 7 Home Premium. Alright, so yeah, I mean, I'm not really expecting a little from this. I mean, I'm hoping, because it's like 1 terabyte and 64-bit, I'm hoping for it to be a lot powerful, so I can actually have more than one commentator in my Let's Plays without it lagging to death. Oh, if you look down here, you should be able to see, yeah, and there's a little light on my thing. That is still loading. I'll put everything on top of it, look. And yeah. Still preparing my desktop. That's the thing, is I want this to run as long as possible, because I want you to like go through me, like watch the setup. Oh, actually, before I do that, where's my oh, it's there, look. I need to put that there, and this here, like that, and there we are. My little mouse mat. Let me zoom out a little bit. Alright. I'm going to pause it and start it up when it starts. Okay. It's now this new screen. The Welcome Center, the HP Welcome Center. And you got to go through these bloody steps to do it. Some guy's going to do it off camera because it's like registration shit, so I'll be right. Right, this is important. Right, I've registered, doing my registration, and now it says you are connected. You have an active internet connection connected in its services. Right, finish that up. So in other words, it's saying I have an active connection. I've done all the steps. Congratulations. Finish. Thank you. Yeah, if you buy a HP laptop or computer, you always have to go through with that first time you set it up, or you can do it later, but I always do it first time, so it doesn't really remind me later. Ooh. Actually, I don't like that. I'm going to change that later. Someone's coming down the path. Right, it's doing my plugins and everything. Sweet, sound works. Okay, what's this say? Right, no, I will not launch it. I'll close it. Because, to be honest with you, I won't really be using it much, the PC Advisor. So, because I'll be like doing it with Windows updates. It's like easier and more convenient for me. I'm actually waiting for them to prompt saying I can now use it now, we don't need help. I've activated Norton because I'm going to be getting rid of it and putting a new antivirus software on it. I'm not actually going to use this to upload any videos for a bit until I can get everything. I'll be like doing it on my laptop. So yeah, I think that's done. I mean, they haven't really prompted me to do anything yet, so I think I'll leave it as that. I mean, I'm guessing I've got internet, but if I haven't, I'll just like figure it out. So yeah, that was the unboxing of the, well, I can't really remember the name of it, so I'm going to say, that's the unboxing of the HP desktop PC with 20-inch monitor and 64-bit, 1TB hard drive and 3GB of RAM. There we are, I'm going to say that. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. See you guys.